Hi guys, so this is a follow-up video. If you watch the orientation video, you'll see that I was having trouble showing you guys how to respond to your peers within the discussion forum. So I just want to make sure that that is easy for you guys since we're doing that this week and every other week. So the screen you see in front of you, I am within Module 2, which is the module we're going to be in next week. And when you scroll down and get back into the discussion forum by clicking on marigolds, can you go and see if you can help that? So when you scroll down, tell her I'll be right there. This is teaching with 3 little ones. So when you get into the responses by clicking on some of these numbers, I realized what I was not doing is you have to, you actually have to open up the title, and then when you read, you can click reply to your peers, and that's where you're going to type your response and then hit post. So when you're responding to your peers, do your best to add something. Try to avoid saying, you know, I agree, which is great, but you agree why? Or I agree, did you consider this? Or here's another piece of textual evidence to support your view. Or I think something completely different. You know, just try to really deepen their understanding, your own understanding, or, you know, politely disagree. You saw that detail this way, but I saw a completely different way, and here's why. So do your best to really authentically get into a conversation with your peers. We're obviously not in a physical classroom, so forming relationships is much more difficult, if not impossible, but this is a way for us to kind of form a little bit of a community, engage with these really important conversations, and just, you know, really deepen our own understanding, our own preconceived notions, challenge each other, and really just end up with a better, deeper, more individualized perspective of these real living stories for us. So that's how you're going to post, and I just wanted to clear that up since my orientation video was not helpful in that regard. Again, let me know if you have questions, guys. Thanks.